a magical portal. Wow, let's go. It's pulling us in. We're flying. Ah, it's so fast. Don't let go. We're tumbling through stars. Motu, the tunnel is opening. Whoa, we're flying out. And the waterfalls are flowing up. This is incredible. This place is unbelievable. Motu! Not again! Look, Motu, a bear! He's so big and friendly.
Hello, children. I am Balu.
Hi, Balu. I'm Meera. And I'm Motu. Welcome!
Don't be scared, Motu. Look at his kind eyes.
But he's so big.
No need to fear, little ones. I am a friend. This tiny crystal holds special magic. Would you like to see?
Beautiful. May I touch it? Be careful, Meera.
We have to do something.
Look, a storm is coming.
Gulp.
This magical map will show us the 3 trials ahead.
That one looks really scary, but... Come on, this way. The first trial is right across the bridge.
Stay close, everyone. We face this together. Wait, do we have to go so fast?
Whoa! What are those?
Motu, they're just spiders. They're glowing! I'm freezing!
Ugh, Motu.
Easy, little one. They won't hurt us.
It's waving hello!
Easy there, kiddo. See? Friendly.
Come on, Motu. Just one little step. You can do it! But they're everywhere.
That's it, little buddy. The light is right there waiting for
Okay,
us.
I'll try with my eyes closed.
I'll guide you, Motu.
We're right behind you. Ow! A wall!
You're doing great.
Thanks, Meera.
Whoa! You're friendly!
That tickles! You did it, Motu!
Well done, little one.
Look, Motu, the spiders are making a staircase. Whoa, I'm a little scared, but I'll try.
That's the spirit, Motu. We'll climb together.
Come on, let's go! I'm climbing. I'm actually doing it.
We made it! First trial complete.
Look at the star! We did it together! Oh!
Well done, Motu. You faced your fear with courage.
I'm so proud of you. We did it together, and I'm ready for the next one.
Look, a giant door! Whoa, what is it? It's a puzzle. We have to solve it. I'm so confused! Don't worry, I think I see a pattern. These symbols, they move when I touch them. If I connect them in this order, yes! It's starting to make sense. Watch this! I'll open it! Come on!
Whoa there, little guy.
Nice try, Motu. Look, a giant door! Whoa, what is it? It's a puzzle. We have to solve it. I'm so confused! Don't worry, I think I see a pattern. These symbols, they move when I touch them. If I connect them in this order, yes! It's starting to make sense. Watch this! I'll open it! Come on!
Whoa there, little guy.
Nice try,
I have
Motu.
an idea!
What is it, Meera? The sky! Look up!
The symbols match the stars. I can arrange them. There, it worked. Whoa, it's working.
That's my clever girl.
Here comes the best part. Here it is.
You did it, Meera.
We did it, Motu! Yes, we did it!
Big hug! Wonderful, my cubs!
Yay! Thank you! It's so beautiful!
What an incredible place, Cubs. The final trial. It's appearing ahead.
Motu, the storm is coming! We have to keep going!
Children, this moment is sacred. The light in my amulet reflects the courage in you. You are ready. Trust in each other. That's it, Meera. One step at a time.
What fancy's that? Come on, Motu. You can do it. Just like that. Motu, get behind me! Meera, it's coming!
Not while I have this! Roar!
We won't let you! Hey! Leave us alone! Motu, get behind me! Meera, it's coming!
Not while I have this! Roar!
We won't let you! Hey! Leave us alone! What's getting bigger?
No, we must be brave.
It's working! I'm going in! Go, Meera! You can do it! Back off, monster! We can do this! Getting through the hurricanes!
For courage!
It's working! We did it! It's over!
The magic is restored!
Remember, my little ones, kindness is the greatest magic. When we are united and care for one another, we can overcome any challenge. Let this be your guiding light.
Fear is a shadow, Meera. It will pass.
On the bridge, I was so scared. But I faced it. I'm stronger now.
Yes, little one, you are.
I think I can be brave too.
That's the spirit, Motu. Come here, my brave ones. You paid servitude.
This feels so good!
Look! The portal is back!
Oh no, we have to leave? But we don't want to go.
I know. I'll miss you too.
Goodbye, Balu.
We don't, my
I
little
want her
ones.
so much. You will always be in my heart. Bye, Blue. We'll never forget you. Thank you.
Safe travels, my little
Motu,
ones.
look! The portal! We're going home, Meera! Hold your crystal tight! It's glowing so brightly! We're almost there! Home sweet home!
Welcome back, little adventurers.
We're home, Motu. And we're different now. Braver and calmer.
Your hearts have grown.
We made it. Together.
And we're stronger now.
Here, share this with me. Thanks, Motu. True courage is not the absence of fear.
It is taking one step forward even when you are scared.